Hello everyone, this is Soham Pramanik and you're watching my channel on how-tos, tutorials and technical know-hows. I've got some requests for some problems with Windows 10. I'll be giving the solutions to those in this and subsequent videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update problems. I have before given some videos, uploaded some videos for Windows problems, and however, a few of them covered Windows 10. But in this one, I will show you how to solve specific problems of Windows 10. And this is one more channel which I'm having, Programming Expert. You can see for different codes for Java, C, C++ if you're interested in learning the languages. So watch the video till the end, and if you happen to like it and get help from it, please do subscribe and share and like the video. And also please click on the bell icon to get notified for more such videos. So let's get started. So for today's video, I'm going to show you if you're getting errors like this in Windows 10, as you can see on the screen right now. You can pause the video if you want and you can check out for these error codes. If you are getting some errors like this 0 cross 0 cross C1900 or 8024003, all these are hexadecimal codes. As you can see, 7000000E. These are hexadecimal codes for the errors which different errors which happen for in Windows 10. But the solution which I'll give you today is a generic one. It will not, you don't need to find out specific solutions to different error codes as such for Windows 10 for update problems. It's a generic solution which I'll be giving you, and it will help you with all of these together. If it's not working out, you can just leave me a comment and I'll find out a way for that specific problem. So first you have to click on this Windows button right here, or you can just click on the keypad, then go to settings. Settings was just in the bottom left over here, settings, and as you can see, the settings tab has opened right now. Here what you have to do is you have to click on this update and security, bottommost portion. Clicking on update and security will open you this page. Now as you can see here, you are like in my computer I'm having this restart now, reschedule the restart for some pending updates of Synaptic Mouse 19.5.35.50. so like this it may come, so you have to just check through it. It may happen that you are having an update already done, but your computer has not been restarted yet, so it has not been installed in your computer. So just have to check that first. If still it is not so, and if the suppose the update itself has not happened, then first you have to go to troubleshoot. Here on the left side you can see troubleshoot, so you have to click on troubleshoot. Now you will get a list of options here. Now you have to again scroll down, and as you can see there are different options here, find and fix other problems, but for you get up and running you have to select Windows Update. Clicking on that will show you open one tab which is run the troubleshooter. To click on that, so I have clicked on that, and now my Windows 10 is detecting problems. It may take a few seconds for the Windows software to detect the problems regarding your updates. It may so happen that you have not scheduled it properly, or it may so happen that your net connection was not sufficient or enough, or your built-in settings is not such that it will be automatically updating when you are on Wi-Fi or having internet connection to your PC. Okay, so now the pending system changes that require a reboot has been detected. So the system changes which are needed to be done for your updates to occur from now onwards automatically, Windows updates, and few updates which they'll prompt you and prompt the administrative rights you have to acknowledge them, only then it will be updated. So for those things, the changes have been made, and you have to restart the computer and then run Windows update again, and at that time your this problem will be fixed. Now if I click on next, it will be detecting some additional problems if you are having any other settings problem, or any file is missing, or any DLL is missing, anything like that. Okay, so now as of now no other additional changes are there. Only problem is the settings which has been refixed, by the computer itself, the software Windows 10 itself, and now it is pending for restart. So as for this video, I'll not click on restart, I'll just click on close. But for you, you have to click on restart, or you have to restart from here, Windows and restart. If you click on this, you will get an update and restart. So this update and restart option comes only when you are having some settings to be made to your computer. Otherwise it will come only shutdown and only restart. So in this case, all the apps will be closed and the settings will be changed and will be reinforced, and then next time you will get a normal restart. So once you restart the computer, your problems will be fixed, and if not, you can just drop me a message and I'll give you further solutions. So thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe, click on the bell icon, and like and share. Do let me know about any technical problems that you need solutions to. Thank you for watching. This is Soham Pramanik.